Only a short flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With plenty of parasols, you'll be able to enjoy the sun without feeling the burn. But sometimes a day on the sands just isn't enough. Satisfy your adrenaline cravings on a high-speed banana boat, or explore the waters on a pedalo. For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this beach a great choice for the next family holiday. Has this beach captured your imagination? Then it's time to get packing.